Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we go ahead and get started, do me a huge favor and go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. So to start this look off, I'm going ahead and prepping my eyelids with Peach Concealer by LA Girl. And I'm using peach because I'm going for a nice pink look. And I don't want to use a white base because it will mute out the pink shadows that I'm going to use. So I have peach, and that's the closest base that I have to pink, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that as my base. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out really good. I am taking it a little past the brow because I am gonna do a wing, and I also want to do like a wing cut crease. So for the first shadow, I'm going in my Masquerade mini palette, and I'm using the shade Zori, and that's a very beautiful pink shade. It's one of those matte with glitters. It could be difficult to work with, but lately I've been loving it. Just really using it to really set my base, and then I'm go ahead and continue to build that up and just blend it out. And I love how it's staying true to its color, and I feel like the peach base really helped it do that. I went ahead and speeded it up, but you do want to take your time with this just to get your desired look, and I'm really happy how it really paid off. I'm going back in the Masquerade palette, and I'm using the Zobo shade. And I'm going to go ahead and use that purple shade to really deepen up the crease a little. Once again, I'm taking my time with this just to, you know, really get the look that I want. I feel like these two shades will create a very beautiful pink and purple smoky eye look. And as you can see, it really paid off, and that's a very beautiful combination, those two colors. So if you're like a pink or purple person, I think you'll really love this palette, especially just for those two shades alone. So next I'm going in my Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to use that Jezebel shade, which is like a plumish purple, and I'm going to use that to further deepen up the look. And I'm just applying that all in my crease. And once I deepen up my crease, I'm going in my LA Girl concealer. Now this time I'm going to use the shade Porcelain. It's the white shade. And I'm not going to clean off my lids. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that and cut my creases with that. I feel like the porcelain color mixed with the purples create a nice pink shade, and that's the look I'm going for. And I'm going to use the shade Geyser to go ahead and set that. And as you see, when I apply it, it really like adapts to like the crease colors, creating a nice baby pink shade. And then next, I'm just go ahead and add my eyeliner, my wing liner and everything. I feel like when you cut your crease this way, it really makes it easier to give you those wings that you desire. And I feel like a wing liner will really bring this look together. And I did take my time with this. I'm not the perfect eyeliner, but I'm happy with how it turned out. I'm using the It Cosmetics eyeliner, the superhero eyeliner for this. And once I did my face makeup, I went ahead and took a purple I took a purple lip liner, but I'm using it on my eyelids, and I'm just gonna use that as my base. And I'm going ahead and set it with that pink shade that we use, just for a little excitement under my eyes. For my blush, I went into my Nars palette, and I'm using those lower pink shades, and I'm just applying that to my cheeks. I really love the Nars blushes, especially this one. It's very buildable. That's why you see me constantly like tapping it on my cheeks. You guys, please excuse my neck. I did apply SPF to my face and neck, and it just broke me out. I'm on the hunt for a good SPF, but that just broke me out. So that's why my neck looks like that. And next, I'm gonna go into my Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'm using the shade Moscow Mule, and I'm gonna just go ahead and apply that in the places I want highlighter. And that's a nice pink shade, and I feel like it took the looks together. And to line my lips, I'm going in the Mented shade Dark Night, and I'm just using that to outline my lips. And I really took my time with that. I was in Target the other day, and I picked up some Mented products, and I'm so happy with it, you guys. Like, look at that. That's truly my nude. It just really matches my skin. I was like surprised. So I'm really taking that, you know, just to outline my lips. I really like using darker lipstick as basically as a lip liner, because it just, I don't know, it just works for me. And then I'm taking another Mented lipstick. This is in the shade Pretty in Pink, and I'm using that to fill in my lips. And I just really applied that, and it gave me a nice sort of like orangey brown. I really wanted my lips to be like muted because the eyes are a lot. I wanted the eyes to be the focus. Then I'm going and putting on some lashes. These are the Showstopper lashes by Crayon Cosmetics. And I'm just taking my time putting that on. And then once I put it on, I went back with the eyeliner just to blend in the lash line, like the lash strip, because the strips on these lashes are really thick. And I'm just going in my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara to blend in my lashes with the falsies. And I took my time with that. And this was the finished look, you guys. This is what we're looking like so far. Pretty nice and simple. So I went ahead and moved to a different lighting so you guys can see like the full effect of the color. So this is me face the opposite direction, just to show you guys what I look like, and in more color. Angles really make a difference, guys. So yeah, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment, you guys. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.